Bug on the rug. A bug is on the rug. It can hop. I look at the bug. It is red. The bug is not bad. The wet mop. I see a wet. I see a mop. It is wet. I use it to clean the floor. I mop and mop. The floor is net now. My mom and dad. My mom hugs me. Dad gives me a kiss. We sit and chat. I love my mom and dad. The big bed. I jump on the bed. My cat naps on it. I hug my big teddy. I fall in giggle. Bed is fun. The toy box. I look in the toy box. I see a top, a bat, and a toy dog. I pick the top. It is very fun to spin. A trip to the zoo. We go to the zoo. I see a big fox. I see Nika, Manika. Si Nika ay Manika. Manika. Si Ya ni Rika. Si Nika ay maganda. Maganda kagaya ni Rika. Timba. Timba ko na makulay sa akin ay ibinigay gamit ito ni nanay sa palilinis sa bahay na yon. Ginawa kong lagayan ng aking laruan.